is our morning on the bay here at the Mill Casino. Racers are starting to head out. We got the Foxbody warming up over there. Sweet. Monica out here this morning. Super pretty. Setting the tone for a nice day of racing. We got Coos Bay Speedway here, folks. Track number 3 on the rally. We're gonna have to pull in and then you back into the burnout box over there. Then you do your burnout, come out here, stage it up, 8th mile track. But the cool thing about Coos Bay Speedway, they got a circle track. They got sprint cars that run out here. It's freaking awesome. Big old track. But yeah, 8th mile with the runoff uphill. Look at that. Track's kind of uphill, so that's gonna affect some things. Got cool stands on the hillside there. But otherwise, it is going to be interesting for sure.
You guys want to?
All right, Mind Over Matter going first. Lanes are packed. Racing's gonna get underway here. Looking real good. Everyone's got a little mud on the tires. But after a couple hours, I'm sure the ground will dry up to where it's not too big of a deal.
So again, Redwood Rally 2023, welcome.
Woo!
This morning on a beautiful coast day to the Coos Bay Speedway, the drag strip
Woo!
at the Coos Bay Speedway. And on behalf of Drake and Kimmy Nelson, we'd like to thank you so much for your attendance here and participation. It's going to be fantastic weather here on the Oregon coast.
Picking the competition's brain out here.
Heather.
Trying to get any little bit of info.
Everybody behind the scenes.
People, we're back in the lanes. It's been a shit show of a morning. The track isn't the best. People have been doing all sorts of weird stuff to try and get traction. They're putting some track glue down for our burnouts, like a like a no prep race almost. We're getting some glue down. Yeah, we're lined up in the first session of the stick shift class. So we're gonna be the first group of stick shifters down the track today. Do a big old burnout, do what I've been doing, see how it takes it. Because we've been doing really good lately. So we're just gonna see what happens, and I'm sure we'll be all right.
Remember, it's uphill. I seen that other TR6060 guy roll back today too.
Okay.
So hold your e-brake. Good luck.
Thank you. All right, big old burnout here. I'm gonna roll it through. We'll be all right.
Trugus Condos from Lyman, Wyoming. And no, that is not a 64 Mercedes, so we have something wrong here in the computer. It is an 89 Mustang. Caleb Enebo from Medford.
763 with a 173.60. So I was spinning definitely, but not the worst pass. I definitely hooked up and finally made it down the track, but Ben's still in the lane. I gotta see if I can catch him here.
Enebo, Eagle Creek, Oregon, an 89 Ford Mustang with some good ventilation.
All right, look at it. Nice. Nice. 61. He hooked. I shook the tire, but
A little bit, dude. It didn't really.
yeah, it was 763.
I got
So
your video, so.
You don't know. They didn't know.
no, that ain't 763. It's fine. Oh, yeah, he's got to pick it up, dude. Nice. I was like, e-brake. I was like, oh, I was like, no, it's down, and just got it, and I mean, it shook the tire. I don't know. No, yeah. So this morning, this is a pretty swampy area, kind of like it is right over here. But they just made an announcement that, hey, everybody, if you parked over here, the water's moving in.
You can see it coming.
It's moving.
Yeah, look at that one. That you can just see.
Oh, yeah. Yep, tide's coming in, pushing the water level up. That's crazy. This was all dry. Well, I shouldn't say dry, but yeah, look over here. It's fine in the low spots for sure. It's starting to fill in. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, crazy.
Yeah, there's a blue Ford Taurus. He's done. He's already in the water a little bit. So something we haven't figured out, it's only like 1 or 2 cars that are running with their trailer, like the church boys. Gang on the church boys. Hey. Get him in there, Brian. Get him in there. All right, folks, we're in the lanes for the second pass. Things got a little jumbled and Ben had already ran, so I got a good video of him, but yep, just gonna do the same thing, really ride the clutch out, and should be able to turn in a good pass. Big rowdy burnout. Monica got me in the damn lane. I thought I was right in the groove and still lit the tires off. But whatever. Let's pack our up and get off to the next track. At this point, all the waiting, and it's really just all the waiting. So I can't expect to be too hot. Thank you. Whatever. It is what it is. Lit the tires off. 197 60 foot. 802. This is where the competitive racing starts to get. You either let it go or you let it eat at you, and I ain't gonna let it eat at me, so it is what it is. Alright, this red Mustang here is definitely one of the contenders for the 3-pedal domestic class here. He has been killing it. He had a rough first day, and then yesterday he picked up some seconds, and he's going for round 3, I believe. So here we go. Wow. Yeah. Let's go, Ben.